Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying these videos that I've been putting out. Okay, today I'll be making over a Jamaican fish tea. I made one before, but I'm making this one again. So here we have some lovely colorful vegetables, which are pumpkins, carrots, Irish potato, scallion and thyme, celery, also okra, Maggi fish seasoning, Grace fish tea, and Goya vegetable seasoning. Now I'm seasoning the inside of the fish with the Maggi fish seasoning. Also, I will be rubbing on some on the outside. I will put in 4 cups of water. Also, I forgot to tell you that I'll be using allspice, a few, just a little like so. I'm gonna put it in. Measuring about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 pimentos. I just throw them in like so. Right. Okay. Put it in the fish tea. I'm gonna put in a little, half of a packet of Goya. I'm gonna put in the fish. All right. I'm gonna lower the flame. So now, guys, we're gonna allow this fish to cook down for another 5 minutes. In total, we've been cooking this fish for about 20 minutes. Now you can see it's simmering down. So this is another quick and easy dish. It's also healthy. I hope you try this one. If you like my recipes or the way I prepare my dish, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, even drop me a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.